Alright guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you 4 amazing platforms. You can use their free credit to generate AI videos. That's usually you can be used if it gives you access to Grok, Seedance, and even Seedance 2.5. We are going to be trying it out in this particular tutorial. So guys, this 4 websites are free, and currently, as a content creator and you want to stick to using free platforms, you need to know more of this free website. You need to gather as much website as possible to be using to generate your videos. So guys, I'm bringing you these 4 websites you can use to generate your video. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So guys, this is the first website we are going to be using, and I'll be pinning the link to all the websites I'm going to be showing you guys in this particular video. I'll drop in the link in the description box or in the comment section to check it out. So now, once you are here on this particular website, and guys, please before I forget, please, you don't have to rush, because I know some people might be after seeing the first platform, they'll be like, it doesn't make sense, and they'll just keep the video, and that's all. Guys, I left the best for the ending part. So guys, you have to stick and watch the video all through the end so that you don't miss out on anything, and also be able to use these platforms I'm going to be showing you to generate your videos for free. Now, some of them will be using Tempmail to create an account on it. So I'll be showing you everything in this particular video. So once you are here, what you're going to do, you see this start for free. You can just simply click on it, start for free, and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Guys, once it brings you to this interface, what you just need to do is click on this login. Now you can see, if you want, you can buy their plan. It's your choice. Now you just click on this login. Then once you click on this login, now you're going to see this particular page. It will bring you to this page. Now what you're going to do, you create an account, click on create an account, and it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. Now what I'm going to do, the first particular one, I'm going to be using Tempmail for it. So what you just need to do is to come over here. You just need to copy the email address and head over back here and just paste in the email address here and create your password. So once you've done that, you just click on continue, and it's going to bring you, so you can just choose to save this, and it will ask you to impute it will send you the verification code to your email. So what you just need to do, come over here, is going to just allow it to refresh, and you're going to see the email will be here. All right guys, you can see there's the email. Just click on it. Now it's going to open up. Now you copy this code, then head back here and paste the code here and click on continue. So once you do that, that will be all for the sign up process. It's going to be automatically create an account for you, and you can see I'm already signed on to the account. You can see here I'm signed in to the account. So now what you're going to now do, so once you're here, you can see, if you want to check your credits, how much credit they give to you, you can just simply click on this credits history. Just click on the credits history, and you're going to see you give upon sign up, you can see new user bonus. You are given 50 credits. So this is the credit we're going to be using to generate our video. So now I'm going to come to, since we're here for video, I'm going to strictly just go to, you can see this AI video. You can just click on it. So once you click on AI video, you can see from here, it's going to bring you to interface like this. Now we have text to video, we have image to video. So it left for you the one you want to make use of. Now you can see, if you want to use Seedance 2.0 on this particular platform, this is the amount of credit is going to require for us to generate video. So now what we are going to do, we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see from this particular platform, for it to be able to generate, I've already done my research, so I'm just going to show you straight the models you can use conveniently. So we are going to make you see, if you should select this, it's going to cost you 90 credits. Now, and we have 50 credits, isn't it? Now what we're going to do, you can see from this side we have here, you can see that the duration is set to this. Now I'm going to reduce it to this, and you're going to see we now have 45 credits. So with 10 seconds video, it can give us up to, it's going to cost us 45 credits to generate using this particular Grok to generate our videos. This side I'm going to bring in my image, then on the side I'll paste in my prompt. So let me quickly just paste. All right, I've gone ahead to paste my prompts. Now I'm going to now go ahead to bring in my image. Just click here to bring in the image. I'm going to use the image. I'm going to bring it in. Then I'm going to allow the image to load up. So once you allow the image to load up, you're going to see every other thing. This part, we've already set this part the way it should be. The aspect ratio, everything is already set. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see, you can just click on this generate, and it's going to generate your video for you. So once you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video. So you can see my video has started generating already from here, and they've taken the credits for, already taken the credits. So now what I'm going to now do, if we are going to wait for the video to finish generating, but if you finish, let's say, remember we use template on this, what you can just do in case once you want to generate another one, you can simply just create another account using the same process I use to create this. You can use the same process and create another account to use for your video. So let me just wait for this to finish generating, and I'll show you the product, what it generated for us. Alright guys, as you can see, it's done generating my video for me. So you can just click here and click on download with watermark. So you can click on it, and you can see your video will be downloaded immediately. So that is it for this first platform. So now let me just play the video so that you see how it looks like.
Beautiful. Can I offer you a ride in my car to your destiny?
Oh, really? To my destiny?
Absolutely. It's a smooth ride.
Haha, you're something else.
Alright guys, you can see how the video looks like. So now you can try it out and let me know your take in the comment section. So now let me go to the second platform I'm going to be showing you. This is the second platform we are going to be using. So once you're here, you just click on this start for free, and from here you can see create an account. Then you can decide to use. So what I'm going to do is to quickly just sign in using my Google account. So I'm going to sign in. So from there we'll proceed. Alright guys, once you sign in, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You can click on here to see you can see you're given 100 credits to use on this particular platform. You have 100 credits to use on this particular platform. Now what you're going to do, you can go back to the models. Now from here, you can search for anyone. Now you can decide to search by type. You can see by video, you see them all over here for you to try out. You can see I have a lot, but you can simply just search by model. So now I want to use Grok for this particular one. You can see them here. You just search for Grok, and you can see we have Grok 1. This, and we have Grok this. So now I just want to see, you can see this one has image to video, this one too has image to video. So you can click on anyone. So let me click on this and see. This is going to cost me 27 credits to generate on this particular platform. So let me see what this one is going to cost. All right, this particular one, this other one, 1.5 preview, is going to cost me, okay, this one is for this 15 seconds, this one is for 15 seconds video. Let me see the same 6 seconds video like this other one, it's going to still cost me the same 27 credits. So guys, just take note, 6 seconds 27, this one too, the same 6 seconds is going to cost you 27 credits for a 780p video. So you can decide to use any one of them you feel like using. So on this, I'm going to be using this particular one. Since I'm right here already, what you're going to do, just close this, and now from here bring in your image. I'm going to bring in the same image. Now I'm going to from here scroll down while the image is uploading. From here I'm going to paste in my prompt. All right, my image has loaded. I've pasted in my prompt. So now what I'm going to now do, you can see on this side where we have the resolution is going to pick directly from the image we submitted. So now you can see we have 27 credits here to use. Now what I'm going to do is going to be a 6 seconds video. So let me just assume I want to leave it as this 6 seconds video, or if you wish, you can take it as much as 10 seconds. Let me make it 10 seconds video and see. It's going to cost me 45 credits, but it depends on you what you want to do. So let me just leave my as the 6 seconds video. Now you can make it fun, you can make it normal, then you can decide to change it to 480p. Is going to give, look, let me make it 480p at 10 seconds, 8 seconds. Let me say, for example, I'm leaving it as 8 seconds video. I'm going to now click on it and see generate is here. So you can simply just click on generate, and it's going to start generating your video for you. So let's say this is already generating my video. So if you're done generating, you want to generate more, then you still generate it and still create another account and continue your generation. So that's it for this particular platform. So I'll just wait for it to finish generating, and I'll show you what it generated for us. Alright guys, you can see it's done generating my video for me. What you can simply just do, click here and download your video. So once you download your video, you can see it has started downloading the video for me. So, or you can still click here to download the video. So that's another way. Let me just play it so that you see what it generated for us.
Beautiful. Can I offer you a ride in my car to your destiny?
To my destiny, you're too much.
Only the best.
Alright guys, you've seen what it generated for us. So you can try this, test this website out also. Now, what I'm going to now do, I'll go to the next platform. It has the third platform I'm going to be showing you in this particular video so that you see what the website looks like. Alright guys, this is the third website we are going to be trying out. You can see it. Once you are here, you can just click on sign up. Then you can see you can sign up with your Google account. So I'll just log in with my Google account and from there we'll proceed. Okay guys, once you've signed up to an account, you're going to see get 200 credit free. Just click on try now. Now you're going to, so what you're going to just do, in case you want to see the credits, what you can just click here and you're going to see you have the credit. Here is the credit showing over here. So now free to you can see this one, you can see it resets daily. On this particular one, 30 credits refresh daily. You'll be given this one every 30 credits every day on this particular platform. Why this one is for generation. So now what you're going to do, you can come over to where we have our tools. You can see AI video generation. Now let's click on it and it's going to bring us to an interface like this. So once you're here, what you can simply just do, you can see we have image to video to generate our video. So you can see I'm going from here, I can upload my image. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to here. So I can upload my image. I'll bring in my image. Now I'm going to, now from there, you can see this is my image. Ensure you just do all the whole necessary cropping, of which this is okay. Just click here and it's going to bring in the image over here. So now it's going to, for this generation, it's going to cost me 60 credits. You can see it's going to cost me 60 credits using VL3. Now you can see this is the one I'm using Seedance. Using Seedance, you can see the other, these ones all need upgrade. Now if I'm to use this particular Seedance 1.5 Pro, it's going to cost me the same. It's going to cost me 40 credits for Seedance 1.5 Pro. Then you can see it using Seedance. You can see other product Seedance version you can also try out. Now let's also check. You can see other different models you can also try out on this particular. Let's on Google. You can see Google VL3 Lite is going to cost me 60 credits. So let's say I'm going to be using my Seedance. So you can try other versions of Seedance, but let's say I'm going to try all these ones we need you for you to upgrade. That's this other ones we need for you to upgrade. So I'm going to be using our Seedance 1.5 Pro since it's available here. You can use the Seedance 1.5 Pro to generate your video. So I can just click on Seedance 1.5 Pro and it's going to cost me 40 credit for a 4 seconds video. So now on this you can still step it down to 480p and it's going to cost you lesser. So now I'm going to now extend this to, instead of 40 seconds, from here you can generate up to 12 seconds. So instead of 4 seconds, I can go ahead to generate 8 seconds video with it. My audio, I'm going to make the audio on. The audio, I have to turn it on since I need audio to be on it. Then I'm going to paste in my prompt here. Okay, I pasted in my prompt. So what I'm now going to do is just to click on this generate. So once you click on generate, it should start. You can see with audio on, it's going to cost me 80 credit to generate. That's 8 seconds video on this. So I'm going to see the video has started generating. What you're just going to do is just to be patient and allow it to finish generating. So I'll wait for it to finish generating. Once it's finished generating, I'm going to show you what is generating for us. You can see this, my video has finished generating. What you can simply just do, you can click on this export and it's going to export your video. You can see your video is downloading. So you can just download. So once the video finished downloading, I'm going to play it so you see what it generated for us.
Beautiful. Can I offer you a ride in my car to your destiny?
Okay guys, you can see what it generated for us. I believe you like the output. So from here now, I'm going to be proceeding to the fourth website we are going to be trying out in this particular video. Alright guys, this is the fourth website we are going to be trying out in this particular video. So once you're here, what you're going to do is to quickly just sign up to an account. You can see I've already signed up to an account. I've used this particular platform before. You can see I've used it before to do some generation. So I already, if you also you'll be giving daily credit on this particular website, giving daily 30 credits, and You can see from here, you can make use of this daily credit to generate your video. So let me just go ahead to show you how to generate the videos. Just click on this AI video, just click on AI video, and it's going to bring you to interface like this. Then from here, you can see with Sidens 5.2.5, you will be able to, it's going to cost you for 5 seconds video on Sidens 2.5, it's going to cost you 50 credits on this particular platform. So now I'm going to quickly just using the same prompts, the same image and everything. I'm going to just paste in my prompt here. All right, guys, I've pasted in my prompts. Now I'm going to, on here, you can select your aspect ratio. I'm going to, here is set. Now 480p, yeah, I'm going to be using 480p. If I should take it to, now have sound, yes, make sure it's selected, and 10 seconds is going to cost me more. So now let me try something now. Let me see other models. You can see other models of Sidens. You can see if you use Sidens 2.0, it's going to cost you 30 credits to generate on this. Now, if you should also go down and use, let's say, a lesser one, let's say Sidens 2.0 fast is going to cost you this. Let's say Sidens 1.5 Pro is going to cost me 15 credits. So, guys, you can see with this Sidens 1.5, it's also good. Sidens 1.5 is also good. You can also make use of it to generate your videos. And you can see with this amount of credits, you can generate more on this particular platform. Guys, you can generate more on this particular platform or using this. Now you can also try other they also have on this particular platform. You can also try them out, but I'm going to be sticking with this. Okay, like for this particular video, I'm going to, let's say I want to use this one, I'm going to use this, and also, and once I'm done with everything, it has sound 5 seconds video, and it's going to be, so I'm going to just make it, click on this generate, and guys, you can see it's going to start generating my video for me. So that's this particular, so I'm going to wait for this particular one to finish generating the video for me. All right, guys, you can see this has finished generating my video. What you can simply just do, you can click on there to download the video. Just click on it to download, and it's going to download the video for you. So once my video finished downloading, or you can also click here to download the video, it's going to download the video for you. So once my video finished downloading, I'm going to play it so that you see what it looks like.
Beautiful. Can I offer you a ride in my car to your destiny?
Alright, guys, you can see what the video actually looks like. You can try it out and let me know your take in the comment section. So guys, as I said, you can try all this website out and let me know your take in the comment section if they were able to generate your videos for you. And also, if you have any issue, you just let me know in the comment section so that I'll also see how to track it out together. And guys, if you're still watching this video up to this moment and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. This is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.